All right, so we should be back up and running right now. Yeah, we most definitely should be back up and running. There we go. Damn, where's that thing at? Yeah, we looking good. All right, cool. All right. I'm about to say. All right. Now I can get do some damage because I don't know what was going on. Really don't know what was going on for real, for real. All right. It's looking good. And GJ's pushing. Yes, sir. Let's talk about it. Oh, damn. I lied. So far for the push. We was just right here. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. See, it's struggling to break that area for real, but even if we can come back down here and get a smooth, nice retest, I'm still cool with that. I'm still cool with that. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm still cool with that. I'm still cool with that. Yes, sir. I'm still cool with that. Let me see. Let me check my audio levels. Make sure everything is Gucci. Yeah, my audio levels are showing that everything's good. Turn up your. I don't know, man. Turn up your volume for real, for real. My audio levels and everything like that, showing that we healthy. So, you know what I'm saying? Turn it up a little bit. I tried 20 courses to teach your family good risk management 2 years. I don't know why nothing's working for me. I mean, bro, trading is, I'll be honest, man, trading is something that you really got to kind of like make your own process altogether. And I just personally feel like stop strategy hopping. Focus on what you can do. Focus on what you are good with, and then kind of just continue to strive and look for a solid foundation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like a foundation is like everything. So you just want to make sure that you have the most solid of foundations, like before you really, you know what I'm saying? Just like strategy hopping, all just everything like that. But I don't feel like strategy hopping's like really gonna, you know what I'm saying? Like help you for real. Like, just to all honesty. Like, so like I hear you when you said you did this course, you did that course, and everything of the such, but man, you gotta just trading is really like making this process your own process. You feel me? So you gotta kind of do what's beneficial for you at the same time. So yeah, man, you definitely gotta do what's beneficial for you though. At the same time, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. GJ look like she's pulling back for a sweet little move. Let's see how we looking for real, for real. Let's really look at like the 15 minute. Yeah, cause bro, it cannot break this zone right here. Let's backtrack to the 30 minute. At minimum, I don't even like calling minimums for real, but at minimum, probably like somewhere around here at the lowest it should retest too, because we got this zone right here, and like I feel like price is really reacting off of. Look, price really came and strive to get this, but price could even drop back down right here too. So I feel like it's definitely one of them things where you just want to kind of be careful with it for real. Definitely just want to be as careful with your process as possible. Can't really hear. What the hell? Y'all mean y'all can't hear? Y'all got your volume turned up? Like, what's going on for real? Yeah, I gotta check. I got your volume turned up. Oh, maybe it's my mic. I got your volume turned up. Like, what's going on for them? Yeah, I can hear myself. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. Yeah, like everybody else can hear, man. Turn y'all volume up. Drew, can you speak a little bit about your learning curve, please? I mean, man, like I really went trial and error with my process, and like the processes wasn't easy. You know, the strategy that I learned had a lot of imperfections within it, and you know, it needed a lot of fine tuning, a lot of fixing. And you know, I'm just glad that I could, you know, just be able to kind of find a strategy that I'm comfy with that I've been doing for over 9 years to just find me consistency. But I mean, like, man, it wasn't easy to be honest, man. It wasn't the process itself just wasn't easy, man. Like, really gotta stay down until you come up type of thing. But like, it is what it is. It is what it is. You feel me? But I feel like the process is definitely something that you just want to like strive to make your own. Like, see, like even with GJ right now, we're getting this beautiful retest. You see, like on the 30 minute right here, where we broke out, and now finally with 30 minutes getting into retest. So go down to the 15 minute to kind of understand what we see. We can see buyers kind of finding and making some support right here. And I just drew this random line based off the 30 minutes. It's based off of a 30-minute support over a body of prices kind of meet along with the candlestick wicks. And you know, it's acting as support right now, but it could strive to come down a little bit lower because even when I was looking on the 30 minute, there's this huge rejection gap right here that we kind of clone this real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. Like there's this price point right here where like price definitely did like break out from here, but at the same time price can strive to come back here as well. So you know, you definitely want to just have your I feel like your demand zones kind of marked up. At least for me, like even with that process of just having my demand zones marked up, it honestly just does me justice. Even with that process of just having my demand, oh yeah, can't hear myself like oh yeah, that process alone just does me justice. So trading is like kind of like what you make it for real, but at the same time, you just gotta kind of stick to your process. You can't doubt it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but we getting a beautiful retest for an entry right now. I'm not even gonna lie. This retest for this entry is just looking very very beautiful right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know we getting that smooth retest. Let's kind of go down a little bit lower though. Yeah, so see, this is what I like about the 15 minute. The 15 minute kind of came right here where buyers previously took over. Well, buyers really took over from down here, but you can see like where buyers took over right here, and like you can see like price is really like exhausted out for real, for real. Now buyers just kind of stepping in. 10 minute, same. The 10 minutes gonna be the same thing, but the 15 minutes really gonna show us the details. You see like right here again when I made that random area of support where again buyers is just really kind of stepping in the market, and it's just these little things that we want to kind of just keep track of. Yeah, it's really these things that we really just want to kind of make sure we keep track of, especially like where we are within the process. Definitely, definitely. But nah, the retesting the value and everything like that's looking super super dope. Let's see. Let's go down to the 1 minute. All right, so see, even right here, bias hasn't really like fully even took over yet, even on this lowest of this time frame. But like the goal would be like, you know, like let's say theoretically speaking, like somebody's taking a trade, right? Theoretically speaking. And it's just like boom. You enter, you're in the markets, everything's good. But like even before you enter, you gotta kind of make a predetermined risk factor. Like, is this a good move? Now, me looking at the 3 minute gives me a little bit more confidence than the 1 minute. Even though the 1 minute I'm seeing the transition of volume. For me, really and truly, just seeing that this major seller's exhaustion and then buyers rejections kind of stepping in the field right here. For me, like that's kind of good. Yo, for everybody that's saying that they can't hear me properly or whatever when y'all join this, you leave and come back. It's on y'all because I'm on live right now and I hear myself and it's tripping me out for real. Yeah, but we just want to make sure that we get a clean break of something buyers related before we even like look at a move. Right now, this move is retracing. I don't even want to scale in. I feel like if I scale in, nah, I don't even want to scale in. I want that. I want price to kind of develop right here, but you see, like right here where we had this indecision candle, price kind of just came back to retest that. So we're looking good to kind of make momentum to the upside. I think this move just requires a bit of patience. But let's see. Because even if I was supposed to push and take a move like this, even though I'm in the markets right now, like I'm only giving this as far as like a 13 pip stop loss. And like risk to reward wise, I don't even like this as like a probability just because like I'm in the middle of price. I got all these rejection potential areas, especially as low as this point, and then like I'm not at a core area of support. Nah, I really, really like a move like this. But that was just an example, just kind of giving everybody an example and everything like of the such. You know what I'm saying? Like really and truly, just really making sure I give everybody some type of example. But like I said, this fall, it's still a beautiful morning. We're doing this retrace, and I feel like even around the times of five, like it's cool. We're doing this retrace. Like again, I entered right here, and this entry was just based off of the 4 hour engulfing. Really, like we engulfed on the 4 hour, but even before I had missed, I had called the. So really and truly, I caught a continuation of this move. I caught a signal down here last night because this was the real move, and everything from here was just a continuation of the move. So let's go down to like the 1 hour. So really and truly, I was waiting because obviously price broke. I was waiting for a cool retest based off of this area of price being a higher low. I know I got a lot on my screen right now. I'm just gotta try to alleviate some of the data as best as possible. All right, cool. So right here was like the last higher low that we made within this overall price point. Boom, boom. So in all reality, when I was waiting for the move yesterday, I had something along the lines of this, right? And you can see I can stretch it over to the left here because it's the current move that we have right now. So again, volume kind of pushed up from this higher low to this higher high. Obviously, price needs to make a retest. When I look from left to right, as well as the supply and demand zone, I can see that price can make a retest off of here, based off of this area, this demand zone that acted as support going across the screen here. I can see that we acted as support here, obviously some type of support. You know what I'm saying? So the data is strong, and I look within the move, and I see that we have a current retest there. So when I saw price failed, I was like, all right, more than likely we're coming for this retest of this position right here, and it's just one of those things that you just want to kind of wait on and then kind of gauge it from there. But as far as my momentum goes, like I said, we got solid momentum from this move. I think the biggest thing that is here to kind of take away is just kind of waiting because, like I said, I called the trade really down here last night, and I called it. Damn, no, bugging out. The move is down here. I called it like around here, and I think it was this candle that stopped me out per se. I called the buy like around the 250 area, which is like roughly like right here. You see me kind of editing right now. I called it, and I normally give my moves like a 13 pip stop loss, but I fell asleep on this move. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, and it came down and boom. So if I just would have gave it like a little bit more breathing room potentially, I would have been good risk to reward wise. But man, I don't this little move right here then basically stopped me out, and then it went in my favor. So but I should have kind of been a little bit more detailed in my analysis because if I saw that this was the low right here, Obviously, I want to make it lower than the previous low, but it's like at this point in time, like how much pips do you really want to give the move to breathe? So this wasn't really expecting all this, but then we came and then we shot, we retest right here, and this is why kind of spotting these little retests is so important because we came and we retest like right around here, and then we just like took off for real, for real. So it's all about just again just gauging momentum and just gauging everything with the such. You just gotta really be on point for real, for real. Really just gotta kind of be on point with where you are within structure, just the whole 9 yards in general.
I
Whoa.
can hit them, not in the house, maybe go to the kitchen and collect the garbage bags.
Well, god damn. You just want to come interrupt my session, boy. Shit crazy. But I'm not gonna lie. If y'all missed out potentially on the signal, like now, especially where GJ is at, it's looking good because we hit this demand zone down here. So I ain't gonna lie. If I was y'all, I would take this buy. I would take this buy for real. This buy is not looking bad, right? You give it like about a bit of a 15 pip stop loss. You put it underneath the zone and the QP so it has enough breathing room. And you give it that range of space so it does what it needs for real. But this to me is looking like a great buy. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I would take this buy. I'm already kind of in the move and I'm already kind of scaled in, so I don't really want to go over risk management. Like I don't use poor risk management or improper risk management. I'm already deep in the move, and I feel like like I got a good amount of lots in here. I got a good amount of volume. I don't really want to kind of go outside of that for real, to be honest. But I wish this is one of the moves I can take with y'all. But you know what I'm saying. But this move, this move for me telling y'all like just where we at within price, it's not a bad move. And I personally feel like one thing for sure that you really got to kind of pay attention and kind of understand with your process too is like you got to kind of follow risk management. It's like the only way you're gonna have a cool longevity in this game, like just following risk management in general, and then just bro, just knowing like where you are, like you knowing where you are, like you have to do that. Like if you're not paying attention to like where you are within the market, structure, anything for real, it's not really gonna make sense. Because like watch this. You could take this and this is just a probability, right? But let's say, with your trading strategy or whatever the case may be, you have some type of an edge or whatever the case may be. This is just one probability. Personally, per session, I give myself up to like three probabilities, but you know what I'm saying? But listen, this move is looking fly right now. Moves looking fly right now. We're getting a bit of a retest, but you know what I'm saying? Like it is what it is. It is what it is when it comes to the retest. But like you just can't be scared of momentum. I try to tell everybody like, yo, you gotta just take momentum for like what it is and just kind of learn it. But this process is like super super simple. So I feel like though, really and truly, I'm not too mad that I got stopped out down here, but at the same time, it could be better. I ain't gonna lie, because I caught the nice continuation trade right here. And, risk to reward, like, again, you can kind of see structure just kind of maintaining itself. So, yeah. Yeah, so, yeah. I think I'm gonna just, I might as well just go ahead and just take this setup for everybody as well. You feel me? Because the setup is not looking too brisky. We're gonna drop that right there. We're gonna say that's the entry for real. We're gonna look at this 1 minute for real. Yep. So that retest is looking good. That retest is looking major right now. All right. So hopefully y'all guys are all in the move. Hopefully y'all guys took this buy opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Opportunities like this don't come a lot. So, you know what I'm saying? Gotta let that thing breathe for real, for real. Mm. I ain't gonna lie, this it's still setting up as like a nice scale, and then you can see even the volume. Like if we were just supposed to like remove all the fancy details and everything like that, like you can see sellers they're getting tired and they're losing momentum piece by piece. You know what I'm saying? Like sellers are definitely losing momentum. They could still kind of fill this gap, however, but the volume that we're getting, it's very slow for sellers to be in all honesty. So it's not bad as of right now. Just want to be able to let this thing breathe a little bit. You can see buyers just kind of coming back in. And for me, like how you know if it's a decent trade or not, obviously right here I got the crosshairs. You know, you just want buyers to kind of stay good. But the main sense of structure and detail that kind of gave me the confidence to really kind of take this buy is seeing these exhaustion and wick candles, seeing the buyers kind of take over and making a bullish engulfing, and then we got a nice retest with exhaustion. Now we're just waiting for buyers to kind of close the gap with momentum. Let's hit the 5 minutes looking like the 5 minute buyers hasn't really stepped into the market yet. We're still letting it breathe and letting it settle. 7 minute is still trying to find support, but on the 7 minute we found support as low as like down here where the move is striving to push to right now. Same thing, 10 minute. Same thing, 15 minute. Same thing, 20 minute. Same thing, 30 minutes. So my bias really only goes up to a certain time frame right now, which it's all good. It's all personally good for me. The bias it only goes up to a certain time frame, but overall, like just looking at the bigger picture, we're catching that retest, right? So what happens with the retest is we're retesting to get momentum to kind of continue to go in a certain direction. So at the same time, like not really good. Yo, I see a lot of people saying voice. Can y'all drop a one in the chat if y'all can hear me okay, or a zero if y'all can't? Cause I'm listening to myself right now, so I don't know. Maybe I need to turn up your volume. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Drop a one if you can hear me fine. I can hear myself fine. Like I'm seeing my audio levels. It says my audio levels are good for real. Let me see. Yeah, it's saying I got some pretty solid audio levels, man. What's going on? Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of ones. Y'all can hear me for real, for real. Yo, so chat, y'all can hear me, right? Y'all talk to me. I see y'all dropping all the ones chat, but y'all actually talk to me. Y'all can hear me, right? Fuck the ones at this point. Y'all talk to me. Y'all human beings. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm saying. Put your mic closer. Like, y'all want my mic like this? Hell no, that mic is close, man. The mic is already close. Yeah, man. This mic is already close. Y'all talk about get the mic closer. Oh, listen. It's early in the morning, man. It's early in the morning, man. It's early. It's early. It's early to be. You know what I'm saying? It's early. It's early in the morning, man. Y'all talking about get this mic closer. Is it better now? Like for real, is it better? Can y'all hear me? All right, man. A little? Nah, man. We can hear you. Your audio is just low compared to the other videos. Yeah, I don't know why my audio. Well, I mean, I personally got something turned down all the way. Let me see. Maybe I gotta turn this shit up all the way. Yo, can y'all hear me better now? Like, is this like much, much better? I turned up my audio levels like all the way. Like, if this shit don't work, I don't know. I don't know. If this don't work, I don't know. Yeah, man. But this buy is looking really, really solid for real, for real. You can see buys is really kind of coming into flourishing right now. And you know what I'm saying? Now we're getting that boost of momentum. And now we're even getting it confirmed on the 5 minutes. So let's go back on the 1 minute, right? So obviously, this is like personally like how I perceive the markets, you know? And this is basically like how I see it for real, right? So we came from right here to this low to this high, right? We did a little retest right here in between zones. We came back right here, did this little retest of momentum, and then boom, right? This right here, when we got this engulfing, let me know that we broke this and that we were kind of ready. We're ready to kind of go up, right? Outside of that, boom, this retest right here was letting me know, all right, we came back to retest this zone right here. There's a small itty bitty zone that's right around here. And it's like, all right, cool. We looking good. We looking good. You feel me? Oh nah, where's all this volume coming from? All right. So then boom, this happens. And then let me see here. What am I looking for? Looking for the polyline tool. Where's that? Here we go. So then boom. Then we shoot up, we retest this area again, then we retest the low, then we slingshot up, and then boom. Now we are here right now. This range is still good as long as we get wicks and rejections within this zone. I feel like once volume kind of breaks, the real zone that we should be looking at is this one down here on the bottom. But for me, as of right now, that's just the 1 minute data. Now, let me kind of just delete all this so I can just focus on more on the candlesticks per se. So now momentum is trying to get pushed downwards a little bit. But now again, hold on. Got this big old green box, so it's a little hard. I gotta reset chart. Hold on. Cool. So now even within this area, and I like to just drag this thing all the way out, but hold on. Let me just kind of do like this for right now. Cause this is how long I've been in the move for in all reality. Like I took the move from like over here originally off of this. So this is my move over here, but the move that I called for everybody in the live sessions like right here. So like I said, we should be getting that retest and like for just to make this move a little bit more valid, I have this little white line right here, but again, I'm gonna just delete this. And I feel like the main area of interest right now is this price just being able to just engulf right here where we entered. This is like the primary focus. We just want volume just to be able to just push up in this engulf. But you can see like volume is actually active in the market. So we can't say don't have no volume, but we're just waiting for buyers to really take over control. But sellers is trying to take over, but they're exhausted for real. Well, this candle's trying to kind of break through with momentum, but they're really, really exhausted for real. They're tired. They're just striving to kind of push lower. So buyers did just, however, lose momentum, but it's only short term. It ain't nothing long term yet. Because you can see, like, we've been getting exhaustion candles. So even with things like this, sometimes you just got to kind of wait and just find your patience within the process. You really got to wait and just find your patience within the process. But still, you want to wait for this move to kind of find support, bro, and just kind of do its thing. So, yeah. No cap, bro. I really was about to. Yo, man, I just got a fire testimony, man. Shout out to my dog, Gregory. No cap, bro. I was really about to quit on this trading stuff and leave the group twice, but man, the way you rock and do things with gems you provide, couldn't dip and quit. Appreciate everything you do for the community, gang. This is beginning. Amen. Yo, bro, you really just gotta kind of believe in your process, bro. Like it doesn't even matter like where you start. It's not about where you start. It's like where you finish at. It's like how long you stand in the paint for real. So I'm just proud of you, brother. Just keep it going, bro, and just don't stop. I'm glad I've been able to provide some type of value to help you out, bro, and allow you to grow. And like, listen, man, I tell everybody, man, like this game is all about just, you know what I'm saying, bro, just just giving value for real, like real value. Like that's what this game is like all about to me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, GJ doing this. GJ doing a bit of his bullshit though. Cause it look like sellers just lost momentum completely. I'm sorry, buyers lost momentum completely and sellers kind of stepping in. So around this time it's like I have my stop loss kind of meditated already on where I kind of want it to be at, which is all the way down here. So now it's like it's getting to the process to where, hey, may have to just call it. Yeah, yeah. 182, 490. All right, so let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This drop of momentum is not looking mucho gusto. Stop loss for this overall move that we're in now is really like right here. So at least the one that I called for y'all. Yeah, man. Okay, so see, we came back down here to the 500 QP, and now we're kind of rejecting the QP. So, like for me, like the amount of breathing room that this trade has at this area fill is not the greatest, just because the QPs right here could instantly do that. Oh, stop loss hit. Damn. Yep. Stop loss hit. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Damn, now I'm in drawdown. For real. I ain't in drawdown a lot, but sheesh. Let me see. Yeah, we're getting this crazy sell off momentum right now. No, 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 no. Hold up. The hell's going on? Wait, 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 wait. Why you do me like that, man? All right, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I would tell everybody to buy again right here. In all reality, but this is my trade that I have. But before I call it, let's just wait for it. How do I join the room? I'll drop the link. My live trading room is kind of like closed right now. In all honesty, it's closed, but I could drop the link to where you can get some signals if you like. You know what I'm saying? And join the signal room. But yeah, yeah, we're getting a crazy influx. Yo, if I get stopped out right here, so yo, boom, that's crazy. But let's see, because this retest is very steep, but it's not. It ain't nothing crazy because this move, in all reality, it could drop back down here. But I'm just waiting to see how momentum does at this area. So that's why I'm gauging the lower time frame. So let's just see. Price is headed to snatch Asian lows. Hey, potentially, potentially, potentially. This is why, you know what I'm saying, I trade the way I do. I think price is really gonna try to come back right here again. But if not, it's definitely gonna respect this QP. So that's what I'm trying to have my eyes peeled out for real. Hold on, I gotta get everybody in my Telegram room real quick. Why y'all being weird, acting like y'all don't lose trades too? Come on, y'all stop playing. You know, taking a learning opportunity is all a part of the game. Just make sure y'all use risk management and y'all ain't blowing y'all accounts. That's like where it really matters at. You know what I'm saying? Risk management. But I'm definitely gonna call another move. I'm just making sure that, you know, the next move is the best move. So just give me a second. I'm letting the markets breathe and kind of do its thing and adjust, and then we'll kind of take it from there, everybody. God bless. Yeah, and you know, it's not like it's retracing crazy. We're getting some exhaustion off this area, but we haven't got the momentum shift that I'm looking for yet. So I'm hoping the next candle that we can get, it does that momentum shift for us. But yeah, okay, buyers came back in right here. Okay, Liddy, buyers came back in. Let's see what we do at the support area. So we can already just draw the line right here that this is where buyers took over. Cool. All right, buyers, can you maintain above right here? Wow, how does this 1 minute candle have 1 minute and 20 seconds left and it's a 1 minute candle? Yeah, fuck that. We buying again. Buy. Buy again, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that was weird. Yo, why is this 1 minute candle showing me 2 minutes and shit? That's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. All right, so literally we managed to get around the same range of an entry as me. So this is where it gets lit for real. This is where it gets lit for real and everything of the such. So risk to reward factors, right? We got the same move as me and everything of the such. So we got the same stop loss. Set stop loss at, but I do give analysis as well. Um, I do give analysis. I give analysis for free in my Telegram group. I kind of call the move before, talk about what I see. So the way how I try to conduct it with my live room is like I post the analysis for free in the group for everybody to kind of see, and then with my live trading room, we kind of focus more so on that analysis that I went ahead and gave, and then we kind of take the trades from there, and that's what I base my signals off of. In all reality, feel me? So if y'all guys do want to kind of join my signal room, I'll drop the link. I'll drop the link. Now I don't think it's too early. Like we're going into New York session, so we're gonna get that volume. This 10 minute candle closes in a minute and change, and we're already got a lot of exhaustion for the sellers. The 30 minute candle's closing as well. We got the same exhaustion, and we found support on the QP 500. The 1 hour is doing the retest for recession before it kind of goes long. I feel like this is the move personally. And then I'll be honest, this is the same entry that I got. I posted on Instagram earlier that I'm floating this move like around like 6 7K. Obviously, that was when the move is up here. I'm in drawdown right now, but well, not drawdown. My entry's right here, and then I think I got like a two or three entries like right around here. But I personally don't think it's early. I think it's the perfect time. I think it's the perfect time. Nah, because the thing is, like, for me, like, I like trading London session, well, post London session to be exact, because we get the momentum kind of leaving the market and everything of the such, and we kind of get that smooth transition from London to New York. So for me that just works out. That's for me though. Like, different strokes for different folks. You know, everything's not for everybody, but yeah. All right, guys, give me a second. All right, so let me see. Yeah, I'm no longer FIP, man. I've been just doing my own thing for well over a long time now, and that's kind of just how I want to keep it. I want to stay focused on my people, myself, and my family, and everything of the such. Listen, everybody gonna try to call out everybody, man. I'm not this industry is just not what it's made to be for real, and I'm just trying to focus on the strengths of the industry and just making shit just look, you know what I'm saying, look good. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm focused on. I ain't gonna lie, buyers just lost momentum right here, and it is what it is for real. Let's see. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie. I get stopped out of this move. I'm done. I am done for the day. Gonna lie to you. GJ could do what it want. Damn, bro. Let me see. This momentum is looking crazy. Gonna lie. Stop loss is right here. Oof. That thing hit that thing. You know what I'm saying? Get my booty stopped out. Ain't gonna be jacking it for real. We're looking good though. We're looking good still. We just don't need no more sellers rejecting away from this area. We need buyers to kind of take it, step in into the market right now. But don't lie, once we get that, we's good for real. All right, buyers, where are you? Provide value and change lives. All right, GJ, you pushing it, man. You pushing it, pushing it, man. You getting awfully close. You pushing it, man. Pushing it. My stop loss is right there. Bro. Say it ain't so, GJ. Yeah. 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 I ain't gonna lie. This shit definitely just violated for real. This shit did the same shit it did earlier. Yeah. The last three candles has been I ain't gonna lie, guys. I was talking smack just now, and like this shit's hovering over my stop loss for real, for real. Hovering over it. You know what I'm saying? I was talking smack, but this shit hovering over my stop loss. And watch how we gain momentum eventually and kind of blast off, which is gonna be the funny part. Uh, yeah, GJ. Oh, yep, yep. Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, I'm still in profit though. I wish I was sharing my entries on the screen. Like, I'm still in profit though. It's just doing a steep retrace. That's all it is for real. Obviously it came back to that same resistance area that it can't break, but should have just been a little bit more patient. In all honesty, buyers did kind of step in right here, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I don't know. I'm still in the mood for it though, because I really got in from right here, like I said from last night. But let's just see, man. At this point, because we're just getting nothing but bearish momentum, so it'll be nice to kind of stick this one through and see how it looks for. Can delete that. We can switch to the 20 minute because it looks like we're gonna come back to. More importantly, this don't matter. But more importantly, it looks like we're coming to get that retest down here of structure that we never got around this area. So let's just see. Yeah, so you can get out my way. So you're looking like this zone's it right now. So let's see. Yeah, no longer need this. No longer need this. Cool. So my anticipation, just based on price alone, is that right now, based on the 30 minute, because the 30 minute never got its retest, that price is going to try to strive to make some type of support right around here and then reject up to the upside. So that's my hypothesis for real, that we should get something like this, right? Because looking even at the 30 minute didn't even get its retest. So the 45 minute didn't even get its retest. And the 1 hour damn sure didn't get its retest. So it could even drop from here, or it could drop back down here too and kind of go along as well. Yeah, I don't think GJ is going back that low. Yeah, that's a nice start and everything, but I personally don't think GJ is going back that low. Nah. Yeah, to be honest, the line is drawn to the Asian lows. Yeah, bro, and the Asian lows, they're right here. They're right here. You dig what I'm saying? So this is like, again, this is what I see. And again, it's my analysis, it's my perspective. You dig? Like everybody really could have their own perspective on it, for real. But this is just mine. You know what I'm saying? I personally just see something like this kind of happening. Again, I said personally, which means it's my opinion. So you can hold yours. I can see that price should, strive to come right here and then do some shit like that. Yeah, I'm still in the trade. I had a majority of my entries were down here by the 250 QP. So I'm still in the trade. I'm just making sure I give my analysis too, because like, if this plays out for real, I would want y'all to kind of see, the power of the skill set. Oh damn. Let me see. Copy image. I'm dropping this in my Telegram chat. I'm gonna drop y'all a link off my Telegram chat so y'all guys can kind of home yourself and go in there. I give a majority of my updates kind of in there. Um, that's why I kind of drop if I have any spots available for anything like that. But yeah, cool. Let me bless y'all with the link for that because I can see this move setting up quite clearly. As a matter of fact, I should actually scale in. I'm gonna scale in. As a matter of fact, I don't know what I'm sitting here lollygagging. I really need to be scaling in for real. Okay, cool. Yeah, I got the maximum that I want on this real quick. Now, if news takes me out, that'd be very sad. But I doubt that. Yep. This probably is definitely the move though, for real, for real. So let's see. I would say based on this candle right here, we're gonna call this long position roughly around here. Could stop loss it out, like around this, and yeah, we want a good 50 pips off of this projection here. A good 3.28 ratio. So It's like a cool 1-3. And yeah, it should. Let's do it a little bit more for the ratio of breathing. You know, the thing is like Asian lows are like down here, but I still think they were good to go. Personally, personally.
What should I?
All right, guys. Well, it was a pleasure doing this live session with y'all, man. I'm gonna wrap this up. I appreciate y'all. Before I go, I am gonna kind of drop the link to my Telegram group. So if y'all guys definitely do want to join it, y'all guys are more than happy to. I personally don't think it's going down any lower. You know, if it does, it does. At the same time, I'm not a weatherman. I don't predict the weather. I just try to, just do my two-step while I trade. You dig? But definitely a live session to kind of learn from. Um, and, definitely back test, with the learning opportunities that was taken and everything of the such. But yeah, that's how I see it. I'm dropping my link for my Telegram if you guys do want to join it. That's my link right there to join my Telegram. Just keep in mind in there, I call analysis. Occasionally, I do the live sessions with them and everything of the such, and we kind of do our thing. But again, I definitely feel like if anything, like this is the move. But I'm definitely just gonna wrap this up here and like yeah. All right, guys, I'm definitely gonna be wrapping this session up though. I'm about to end it in just a second. Just calling this move from my private groups. Okay. All right, guys. Y'all guys have a good one. It was a pleasure. See y'all guys in the next one.